9th class student, exercise 4.4. Question number 1. Factorization. Second part is x square minus 8x plus 7. 7 factor will be 7 plus 1. After sum is 8, multiply by 7. X square minus multiply by x and remove the bracket, plus minus minus plus 7. Divide into 2 pair. First pair is common x. After common is x minus 7. Second pair no common. One is common x plus minus minus. Bracket will be same. First bracket write x minus 7 and second bracket is x minus 1. That is factor of the given expression. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 7. Second part. Given expression is equal to y square plus 7y minus 18. Multiply by first and last. 18 1 ja 18. 18 will be factor 18 into 1 and 6 into 3, 9 into 2 will be factor. After plus is should be 7. 6 plus 3 make 9 or 9 minus 2 make b will be factor. 9 minus 2 y minus 18. Remove the bracket. Y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 18. Make the pair. First common to the first pair is y. Y after common y minus 9. Second pair as common is 2. Y minus minus plus 2 9 ja 18. After common bracket will be must be same. X plus 9 is first factor. First bracket. Second bracket is y minus 2 will be factor of the given expression. Question number 3. 3 is second part. Second part is a square minus 3a minus 54. 54 factor is 54 into 1, 18 into 3, 9, 6 54. 9 and 6 will be factor. A square minus, write this form, first and last term it is same. 9 minus 6, write the bracket, multiply by a and remove the bracket. A square minus 9a minus minus plus 6a minus 54. Make the pair, common is first pair a minus 9 after common plus second pair 6 common a minus 9. Bracket will be same, a minus 9 and a plus 6 will be factor of the given expression. 3 question. Question number 4. 4 is first part, fourth question. First part is given expression is 2x square minus 7x plus 6. Multiply by 2 and 6 is 12. 12 factor 12 into 1, 6 into 2 and 3 into 4. After 7, 2x square minus 4 plus 3 x plus 6. Multiply by x, 2x square minus 4x plus minus minus 3x plus 6. Make the pair, 2x is common from first pair, x minus 1 minus 3 x minus 2, 3 is common from second point. Pair x plus minus minus 3 to the 6. After common will be bracket is same, x minus 2 and 2x minus 3 will be factor of the given expression. Second part, fourth question. 6x square plus 13x minus 5. After multiply 30 will be factor 30 into 1, 15 into 2, 6 into 5. Factor is 15 and 2. 6x square plus 15 minus 2 x minus 5. 6x square plus 15x minus 2x minus 5. After common, first pair is 3x. 3x common from the first pair. 2x plus 5 after common. 1 common is 2x minus minus plus 2x plus 5 and 3x minus 1 will be factor of the given expression. Fifth question is question number 5 is second part. Second part is 6x square minus 7x plus 3. Note plus minus is 16, 6 3 is 18. 18 factor will be 18 into 1, 6 into 3 and 9 into 2. Factor will be 9 and 2. 6x square 9 minus 2 minus 3. Remove the bracket and multiply by x. 6x square minus 9x minus minus plus 2x minus 3. Make the pair. To take the common is 3x. 2x minus 3 plus no common is 1. 2x minus 3 bracket is same. 2x minus 3 and 3x plus 1 will be factor of the given expression. Question number 6 is second part. Question number 6 is second part. 1 minus 18y minus 63y square. After multiply 1 minus 63, 21 minus 3 is factor of the 63. 63 y square. Remove the bracket and multiply by minus 3y minus minus plus 63 y square. Make the pair. Common is 1. 1 minus 21y plus 3y is common. 1 minus 21y. After common bracket are equal. 1 minus 21y and 1 plus 3y will be factor. Given expression 7 question is first part. 7 question given expression is 2y square plus y minus 45. After multiply 45 and 2 is 90. 90 factor is 90 into 1. 45 into 2 and 10 into 9, 18 into 5, 15 into 6, 30 into 3, 1 will be 10 and 9. Factor 2y square plus 10 minus 9 y minus 45. Remove the bracket and multiply by y. 10y minus 9y minus 45. Make the pair and to take the common. 2y common is from the first pair. Y plus 5. Second pair is 9 common. Y minus minus plus 9 5 is 45. Y plus 5 and 2y minus 9 will be factor of the given expression. Thank you.